Generally in Sismicad the input refers to the definition of geometries and loads. To quickly understand how to manage it, just refer to a few concepts. Sismicad works in 3 separate windows. The first manages the definition of elements and loads. The second displays the finite element model created automatically by Sismicad and the results produced by the solver. The third manages code checks and the production of documents. These 3 windows can be placed side by side, but since you work on them one at a time, they are normally maximized. All the data necessary for a job can be defined in convenient archives, called database, which already have the most common data predefined for materials or sections but which can always be customized as the job progresses. A fundamental part concerns the definition of preferences. Here we define the analysis method and the automatic definition of the seismic action. By going into detail you can define the characteristics of the analysis you intend to carry out. Sismicad is preset to lock the elements at the lowest level. To study the foundation it is essential to deactivate a simple option in the Preferences window. Another important phase is the definition of the loads. Sismicad manages it in a very simple way. In a single window you can define load conditions with the respective combinatorial coefficients. Loads, concentrated, linear or superficial. The load combinations in the various families, according to Italian codes. These can be defined by the user or set automatically. An important concept is that of levels and shafts. The levels are reference heights at which to define beams or floors, and in a building they correspond to the extradose of the rough surface. They are defined with a height and a thickness and affect the height at which Sismicad will generate the masses of the finite element model. Trunks, on the other hand, are differences in level between 2 floors or even between multiple floors to which pillars or walls refer. They are not essential references but are very convenient in the case of buildings. Once the minimum setting has been defined, it is possible to begin the geometric definition of the elements, and for this there are multiple methods.